First of all, we will get our folder. So this is my folder. Now create a text file and name it whatever you want. Now I have provided a code in the description. Copy that code and paste it here. Now change the text mentioned here as your password, and don't forget to put spaces around the password. Now, after setting up your password, save the text file as a batch file. Add extension .bat and save the file. Now go to your folder and click the batch file created. It will ask for your password. Enter your password. After entering the password, it will automatically create a locker folder. Put all the files except the bat file into this folder. As you can see, I have already placed some files and I am adding new files here. Go back to the folder and run the bat file. It will ask for the prompt. Press yes. Now your folder is locked. As you can see, all the contents are hidden. If you enter wrong password, it won't allow you to access the folder. So enter correct password to access the folder. So here you have your password protected folder. Thanks for watching.